y'all, today we are going to be doing a Ritz crunchy chicken. It's pretty good as a childhood recipe of mine. You got some Ritz crackers, got some chicken breast, got some eggs, some garlic, and some Italian seasoning. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start off simple with the eggs. And I have quite a bit of chicken breast to bread, so we're going to do quite a bit of egg. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of our Italian seasoning. Take 2 tablespoons of our garlic. You can use a little less if you don't like garlic. I like garlic. You can use a little more too, it's up to you, really. We're going to go ahead and get this really whisked together. I also have a lightly greased baking dish. We've gone ahead and take up some of our Ritz crackers and crushed them. Now we're just simply going to take our breast, our chicken breast. This also works really well with like chicken tenderloins. Now obviously if you have less chicken than I do, you don't need as much egg or crackers or seasoning. Just proportionate. And I like to take the rest of the Ritz crackers and just kind of dump them on top. Now we're going to go ahead and cover this with tin foil. We have our oven set to 375 degrees. We're going to bake these for about 45-ish minutes. It really depends on the size of your size of cut of chicken you have. Thin cut chicken breast take less time. Chicken tenderloins take less time. You know, those big meaty chicken breasts probably going to take a little more time. But you want to get this chicken to 165 degrees. So we're going to put this in the oven, 45 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, after about 45 minutes, our chicken is done. It smells amazing. We're going to go ahead and eat this up. I got some potatoes, some veggies to go with it. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.